Hello guys, so today I am here with a short trick to find out the support reactions for sinusoidal loading. You know, in general, sinusoidal loading is given by this Wxx, W sine n pi x by L. When n will be 1, then you know if we make the sine curve, this is the sine curve like this. So this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi like that. So if n is equals to 1, then the entire length of the beam will be covering sine from 0 to pi. So this part of the curve would be used. When you would be having n is equals to 2, then 2 pi part would be utilized like this. So 0 to pi to 2 pi. When n is equals to 3, then up to 3 pi would be utilized like pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. So when you are going to find out the support reaction, there are two things. If you find n to be odd, like here you have n is equals to 1, here you have n is equals to 3. So for such cases, you just make the support reaction both in the same direction, because loading is downward, reaction would be upward. By symmetry, they are going to be equal. So if this is RA and this is RB, so you would be writing RA is equals to RB is equals to WL by n pi. So what you need to do, WL by n pi. So this L by n pi is going to be multiplied with the W. So when you are having n is equals to 1, the answer would be WL upon pi. For this case, n is 3. Once again, n is odd. You would be making both the reaction upward. And this time the answer would be coming out to be RA is equals to RB is equals to WL upon 3 pi. Okay. So this is how the answer would be calculated. But in case of even, what you need to do? If you have n is equals to even, like here we have n is equals to 2. So here, my dear, as you know, symmetry, it is not there actually. If you see, this is some kind of anti-symmetrical things are there. So here you would be putting RA in upward direction and RB in downward direction. You can see here loading is downward, so reaction we have make upward. Here reaction is upward, so this loading is upward, so reaction we have made downward. And the value will remain the same, WL by n pi. So WL by 2 pi will be this and WL by 2 pi will be this. But this time the directions are not same. So we can also do it with the total integration, which will give you the total load. Then you would be dividing it. In that way you can do. But this was the short trick which will help you in the GATE examination. So just take the note down in your notebook. It will really help you. Goodbye guys for this session. We'll meet again for the next daily dose.